So, basically, what videos do you want me guys to record? Because I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and I hope my mic sounds okay right now. Some channels do, like, just gameplay, or just this, or just that. Like, you know, you have your gameplay channels, you have your explore abandoned places channels, etc. Well, I wanted to just kind of do a bit of everything. Not necessarily everything, but like I want to keep uploading gameplay videos, and start a series where me and my friends explore abandoned places, because there's some places we want to check out and some places we could show. Other than that, there's the I can't think of what to say next. Hold on. Exploring abandoned places. Gameplay. If y'all want to see me play Half-Life, let me know. Or Garry's Mod or whatever. I don't think people really liked my Garry's Mod series though, and that's fine. Fortnite didn't really get a lot of views either. Y'all seem to like my tech tip videos, where I would show how to do computer stuff. I could do more how to do things in what game or whatever, or just general computer advice. And if there's anything specific you want to know how to do, or if there's something you think like, hey, this is a cool idea, computers should be able to do this, you can let me know, and either I will know and tell you, or I won't know and tell you that I don't know. So as you can see, I've learned bee hopping, which is very fun. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Bye.